Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to turn on sync in Google Chrome on any PC or laptop. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from a laptop or desktop, just open Chrome browser and there will be a syncing option. So from Chrome to your mobile, so that wherever you are opening your Google Chrome, so automatically it will sync with your mobile phone as well as your laptop. So what you have to do here, so on your right hand side, just click a button at three dots and you will go to settings option. So this is a settings. Just click the button settings. There will be a plenty of settings will be available. The first setting, that is you and Google. So here there will be a sync and personalized Chrome across your device, so that you can use a smart in Chrome also. So I have selected my account. Just click here for turn on sync. Once you click a turn on, bookmark, autofill, extension, history and more, everything will be informed in syncing over here. So if you want to make a settings according to that, you can sync all the enabled format. For example, I just want to have some kind of Google details and manage the sync. Whatever sync I want, I can have sync everything, so I can customize for that. For example, I just want to have some app, a bookmark and extension and history. I don't want this kind of things. So I can customize and I can disable these options according to my needs. For example, I just disable these options, I can use. Otherwise, I can just click here for sync anything, means everything will be sync. So according to that, so you can use a confirmation, so whether where and what you want to confirm. So just click here for sync confirmation. So just click OK. Automatically your syncing is automatically converted into a syncing option, so that easy to sync your Google Chrome into your mobile phone also, so that across the device whatever you are doing, everything will be acrossly syncing over there, so that easily to access all the files. So sync at a Google services is turned on over here, as you see here. So this is a simple and easiest way, so that your all the posts on Instagram pages, everything will be synced in my mobile as well as my laptop or PC will add it over here. So if you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. And last thing, how to turn off the sync. So the same setting option, just click here for turn off. Automatically it will ask you for turn off and remove bookmark, history, password, everything. Just click here to remove and click turn off, means automatically your syncing will be turned off over here. So this is a simple and easiest way. Use this option to turn off your sync also. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my HowXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.